Happy 30th Anniversary BSN Class of 1996 DLSU. Though we have different celebrations here and there in the US, I hope everyone will enjoy and have time to reminisce, bond, and chat with each other. We miss you. I hope someday we'll have one grand anniversary in one place. I wish you, your family, and your career happiness and success. May God bless us always. Ani Malasal, mabuhay ang BSN Batch 1996.
Anniversary Batch 96!
Happy 30th Anniversary BSN Batch 1996. I am very proud of you and I hope that you are enjoying your celebration in San Francisco. We miss you all. Mabuhay!
Hi, Manel.
Hello!
Question. Sino po sa batch namin, batch 96, ang meron kayong memory?
Meron akong memories.
Matatandaan niyo po sa kanya.
Ako po, madami. Madami sa batch nyo. Una sino ba? Ikaw, Weng.
Ay, wag ako, ma'am. Hindi ako kasali. Wag na ako. Marami kayong masasabi dyan eh.
Hindi kasi parang ang first encounter ko sa batch nyo, yung anatomy. Kasi parang kayo yung first batch na first year nag-ana ng second sem. And ang naalala ko noon, pagpasok ko, ang nasa unang klase ay si Jed Valera, si Marlon Urbistondo, at saka si Ryan Urbano. Na ang lalaking tao na ang hahaba ng buhok na pagpasok ko, parang gusto ko na ulit lumabas. Sorry, no, hindi kasi malalaking tao.
Scary sila, ma'am. Scary.
Malalaking tao. Hindi, parang kasi, remember, parang kumbaga, I was barely out of my teens nung time na yun. Parang 20 years old lang. So parang, natakot ako sa mga mama. So, ayun. So, yun yung unang kumbaga, memory ko sa
96.
sa batch 96. Pero yung iba naman, masasaya na mga memories na
Hindi ba na-handle niyo rin sila bukod sa anatomy, sa community?
Oo.
Diba, ma'am? So, bukod sa grupo namin ni Jed at saka ni Maybelline, meron pa po kayong na-recall doon sa duty, during duty days?
Parang ang nare-recall ko actually si Ming.
Oh, Esmeralda niya.
Oo, si
Sanchez.
Ming. Oo, kasi, di ba si Ming, ano yan, ano tawag dito? Parang akala mo laging galing.
Oo, oo.
Ayun. Pero parang ang naalala ko noon is si Ming. Tsaka parang ikaw, Weng, ang magkasama nun sa area. Tapos, oo.
Parang si Jed, ma'am, at saka si Maybelline Molina.
O kasi ano yun, di ba, naka-distribute.
Naka-distribute.
Ayun, parang natatanda ako sa meron sa inyong grupo. At sinaming ata yun yung hindi ko, pero basta parang naalam ko. Nag-prepare ng, ano yun, yung
Herbal.
luya. Oo, yung luya na,
Ano yun? Sa Bacoor yun, ano? Sa Bacoor.
oo, sa Bacoor.
Sa Bacoor.
Sa Panapaan atay.
Oo, mga panapaan. Kasi sumakay ako ng jeep, akala ko yun lang ang jeep na pwedeng sakyan area C. Tapos yung pala malapit lang siya from our place sa Zapote.
Oo, malapit lang yun sa
Malapit
Zapote.
lang. Wala pang van provided or any transportation, di ba?
Tapos parang naalala ko, meron akong isang ka-group mo na nag-inject sa akin ng tetanus toxoid.
Talaga?
Hindi ko maalala.
Graduate na kami. Or
Hindi, nung
Estudyante.
nag-duty kayo, kasi parang, di ba noon parang may National Immunization Day. So, parang, sabi ko, sige, injectan mo ko. Either si Ryan yan, o si Marlon, pero parang si Ryan.
Si Ryan. Okay, ma'am, thank you very
Okay.
much.
Uy, thank you rin. Tapos, enjoy your reunion.
Okay.
Happy, ano ba kayo? 30th?
30.
Happy 30th.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Ma'am.
Thank you.
Hey, congratulations, Batch 1996, for coming up with this reunion. Let us be thankful because you are given again the opportunity to reconnect with your old classmates, old friends and to reminisce the good old days. I have a very fond memory with your class, with your batch, because I am one of the class advisor, BSN 25 pa ata during that time. And one of the memories during that time is when we had our class advisory meeting, because we need to choose for class president. So we have a very tight fight between Chris Ochava during that time and Rainier Valenzuela. So leading si Chris, kaya lang Sir Ray Batutay, if you remember him, bigla nagsalita that we need to choose the good class officers and so on and so forth. Kaya nagbago yung decision ng class. So Rainier becomes leading in the count, kaya siya yung naging class president. Pero Rainier is a very good and responsible class president namin. Another one, I cannot forget also our little brothers in Guevara Street, si Herbie, Jed, and Ryan, along with Chris and also Richard. Kasi di ko alam kung sino talaga yung complete members ng aming neighbor doon. So, they are our little brothers kasi neighbor namin sila ni Ma'am Butis. So, laging masaya yung kanilang dorm. Halos almost all members out of batch is attending party doon sa kanilang dorm. And the Rainier and Ryan, Jed, Herbie, along with Chris and Richard, they are very good to us and to Ma'am Butis. Kaya little brothers namin sila. So, hello sa inyong lahat. And for my parting words, so I am very proud of your batch, full batch, of what have you become and what you have achieved. So, basta continue on doing good, keep fighting, and just stay happy. Animo Lasal.